Wish you could enjoy your Android phone's videos, photos and games on a bigger display. Whether it's sharing vacation photos with friends or watching your favorite YouTube videos, Android screen mirroring makes it all possible. Let's dive into how you can easily mirror your phone screen to your TV. So, what exactly is screen mirroring on Android? It's simple. Screen mirroring allows you to share whatever is on your phone, whether it's pictures, videos or even games, directly to your TV in real time. This is especially handy when you want to display media from your phone on a larger screen without having to transfer files. With smart devices like TVs, tablets and computers all connected to the same Wi-Fi network, screen mirroring brings these devices together. One of the most common uses? Mirroring your phone to the TV, because let's face it, photos and videos always look better on a bigger screen. Now let's get into how you can actually mirror your Android phone to your TV. The good news? It's super easy. The only thing you need is for both your smartphone and smart TV to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. First, turn on your smart TV. On your Android phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to reveal the quick settings panel. Since Android 5.0, almost every Android phone has featured the ability to mirror your screen through a wireless protocol called Mirrorcast. Different phone brands may call this feature by different names. For example, on Samsung phones you'll find it under Smart View, while on other phones it could be called Screencast, Cast or just Screen Mirroring. Quick tip: if you don't see the option right away, don't worry. It might be hidden under a different menu, so take a moment to explore or use the search function on your phone. Once you tap on the mirroring option, your phone will start searching for nearby compatible devices. When your smart TV shows up on the list, just tap it. You'll then see an access request on your TV. Just confirm the connection and boom, you're ready to go. Once connected, you can display almost anything from your phone on the big screen, whether it's videos, photos, websites, social media or even mobile games. It's a seamless way to share experiences, especially in a group setting. And the best part? It usually takes just a few seconds for the connection to go live. If you ever experience lag or a temporary disconnect, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable. Sometimes simply restarting your phone or TV can solve the problem. And for an even smoother experience, close any unnecessary apps on your phone while mirroring. And that's it. Now you know how to screen mirror from your Android phone to your TV. Whether it's for entertainment or even a quick presentation, screen mirroring makes sharing content easier than ever. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.